it's Vicky from Vicky's Hub. Welcome to my channel. So today's video, I just wanted to share with you guys, how you can achieve a spot-free face. So my friend just asked me, what can I do about the spots on my face? So I thought I'll just share a video on that. So let me just get right into it. The first thing first is exfoliation. In case you don't know what exfoliation is like scrubbing your face, like taking away the dead skin cells. All right, so I particularly use this one. Exfoliation is like one step to reducing the spots on your face, because by scrubbing your face, like, you're reducing dead skin cells, blemishes and all that, and it improves complexion. So it's one step to getting rid of dark spots on the face. Then the second thing that I noticed work is a homemade remedy is honey. All right, so when you use honey is very good for reducing spots, and it's antibacterial also, right? So it's very good for the skin. After exfoliation, you can use honey all over your face or just on the spot, just as you wish. You can leave it as long as you want. All right, 1 hour, 3 hours, just as much as you want. It doesn't cause any harm because it's really moisturizing. And after that, you can just rinse it off with lukewarm water. All right, then afterwards you can just apply any lotion of your choice, or you can leave your face bare. Like myself, I like to leave my face bare. I just like to keep it simple, so that way I know where my problem is coming from. Because if you have a complicated skincare, you won't even know where your problem is coming from. So apart from that, the next thing is sunscreen, because sunscreen, I noticed, causes spots on the face. Like the times when I didn't use sunscreen, there was a difference on my face, and when I use sunscreen. All right, so this is the one I use in particular. I'm not promoting any product, all right, I'm just saying for sure, like, plainly what I use or what I do, right? So you want to make sure you use a sunscreen when going out under a hot sun, because it can cause more harm than good. All right, so the next thing is consistency, right? You want to be consistent with these things. If you do today, you don't do tomorrow and all those things, it won't work. All right, so you want to be consistent, you want to be religious with it. All right, so when you do these things, it actually makes a difference. Like for me, this is just what I do: the exfoliation, the scrubbing, the honey, and then sunscreen, and that's it. All right, it's as simple as that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.